How do you fix Doom the Dark Ages is crashing? So first you'll need to go to your library and right click on the game. Now open up properties, and in the general tab at launch options you will need to add -dx11. Then go to installed files and click on verify the game files. And once this is completed you can close Steam. Next you'll need to open up your browser and head to this link, which is going to be in the description below, and you'll need to scroll to this table, and then you'll need to get the 86 and the 64 installer for the redistributables. And once you finish the installation, this will require a computer restart. So right after the restart, what you need to do as well is update your NVIDIA or your GPU driver. So for example, if you're running an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to use the NVIDIA app. Otherwise, you can use the AMD software. And from there you will need to basically go to drivers, and from here you will need to check for the latest available driver update and make sure to download it and install it. And once you're done, all you need to do is right click on Steam and run it as admin, and then just launch the game again, and that should solve the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.